Again, sa tanan nga katawhan kag pumuluyo sa Sitio Borlaza, amon kamo ginaawhag kag ginaimbita to witness our search for Hot Mama. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the third founding anniversary of Sitio Borlaza.
Aiko, kagawad Ricky Muradilla. Kag ginapasalamatan ko man si Kapitan
and welcome to the Search for Hot Mama 2025. Of course, before anything else, I would like to say courtesy and respect to our Margaret.
Mama 2025. For our production number, we have performance 20%, mastery 20%, voice and meaning 20%, self-introduction 20%, a total of 100%. We have voice and beer, 50%, attire and symbol, 40%, overall impact 10%, a total of 100%. For our casual attire, we have voice and beering, 50%, attire and symbol, 40%, overall impact 10%, a total of 100%. Creativity, 50%, attire and symbol, 40%, overall impact 10%, a total of 100%. For our interview portion, we have wit and intelligence, 80%, delivery, 20%, a total of 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good evening. To our district.
nang yang kabahan. Okay, mag-hi ka muna sa iyong pamilya at supporters.
Ako ang pagpalanggaan sa mag-asawa at sa pagpalanggaan sa mga kabataan. Sa gitina, number 1 ang pagpalanggaan ay. Kaya kung wala ka mo palanggaan ay wala.
Ma'am Nerpel Vicas, you are highly appreciated for this evening as our tabulator for Hot Mama 2025. Tagan ta sang nami kagbongga nga show sang atong Hot Mama 2025. Sitio Leader Roddy D. Berlaza Jr., our SK Sitio President or officials headed by Berlaza! Oh, about our top 2 ladies, our Hot Mama will clinch the most coveted title of being our Hot Mama Sitio Berlaza 2025! Ang una ko pong tatawagin is ang ating winner. Ibig sabihin, ang ikapon is our wise mama. Ang ating unang tatawagin is ang ating winner. Okay? For our wise mama, she will be receiving this. Congratulations, Hot Mama! And at number 5! That means our wise mama is granted number 4. Once again, our Hot wise mama is granted number 4. Place, Kids Buklod Laptop. Our second place, Buklod.